brows. So for me, I feel like if my brows turn out okay, then everything else is okay. The fluffy hair-like brows, but also that ombre effect of 2016. One thing that I figured out is that if I contour my nose first, my eyebrows kind of come out better. It also makes, you know, you look like you have more hair in here, because my forehead is just like big and wide and my eyebrows are like far apart. But the last like Brandy movie I was watching, I was just kind of paying attention to what they did, because you know her stuff is set wide, but with her makeup it just has like this seamless flow to it. And it's her nose contour. They drag it up to like where her eyebrows, I don't want to say should, because her face is, you know, it's made how it's supposed to be made, but it's dragged to where, you know, if you're trying to snatch a makeup look. I think I'm ready to fill my eyebrows in. I need to finish my brow pencil. I broke it, so I got the Diorshow brow styler. Told you guys, I'm a Dior Chanel type of girl now. My brows are moving. Okay, I'm gonna mix my Charlotte Tilbury with my Backstage and 4N to go under my brow. I just have to, you know, mix and match and kind of play around and see what works for my undertones the best. I know. This is kind of that moment when things start not looking okay because you do that one thing to your eyebrows that I did that one thing. It's always that one thing. And then you just, I done messed it up.